Hello everyone, I am Akshata Deepak Wadgaonkar, working as Assistant Professor at Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am going to take a session on Introduction of Vedic Mathematics. These are the learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to learn basics of Vedic mathematics, multiplication technique using Urdhva Tribhagyam method. These are the content. First of all, I am going to discuss about history and evaluation of Vedic mathematics. Then I am going to discuss about comparison of Vedic mathematics with standard mathematics. Then I am going to discuss about 16 sutras of Vedic mathematics, and then Urdhva Tribhagyam method for multiplication of 2 digits and 3 digits number. Now let us start with an history and evaluation of Vedic mathematics. The term Vedic comes from Vedas, an ancient Indian scripture composed between 1500 to 300 before Common Era. While structured Vedic maths isn't found in Vedas directly, its logic and number patterns inspired later systems. Great Indian mathematicians like Aryabhat, Bhaskara and Brahmagupta laid early foundation. A brilliant scholar and spiritual leader Swami Tirthaji reconstructed Vedic mathematics from Vedic texts. He is founder of Vedic mathematics. He formulated 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras covering arithmetic, algebra, geometry and calculus. Now, let us understand need of Vedic mathematics. It is used to improve the speed and accuracy, then build logical thinking. It is used to enhance the memory and concentration, and also it encourages the confidence and interest in mathematics. Now, let us study the comparison of standard mathematics with Vedic mathematics with consideration of this point. So, in terms of speed and efficiency, standard mathematics is slower as it follows step-by-step algorithm, whereas Vedic mathematics is much faster due to mental math, shortcuts and direct methods. Then, in terms of methodology, standard mathematics use algebraic and rule-based method, for example, long multiplication, long division, whereas Vedic mathematics based on 16 sutras or formula only. That means it is pattern-based methods. Then, in case of use of tools, the standard mathematics rely on pen and paper, whereas Vedic mathematics enhance the mental agility. It mostly done mentally. In terms of flexibility, standard method, it is a fixed process for operation, whereas Vedic mathematics, we can use here multiple methods. For example, to perform multiplication, we can use here Nikhilam Sutra also, Urdhva Tribhagyam method also near to the best method. In terms of accuracy, standard method give high accuracy with step-by-step work, whereas Vedic mathematics also give high accuracy if a sutra are used correctly. And the applications of standard methods are for board exam, whereas Vedic mathematics are excellent for speed-based competitive exams. Now, let us start with the 16 sutras of Vedic mathematics. These sutras are present in Sanskrit, so I am giving its name, meaning also and its application. So, first sutra is Ekadikhen Purvena, which means by one more than previous one. So, its application is it is used for squaring number ending in 5. Second is Nikhilam Navacharanam Dashatah, that means all from 9 and last from 10. It is used for application for multiplying number near a base. Third sutra is Urdhva Tribhagyam method, which means vertical and crosswise. Its application is for general multiplication method. It is used for 2 digits multiplication, 3 digits multiplications. Fourth sutra is Parvataya Yojayat, which means transpose and adjunct, and its application is that it is used in division, especially with binomial or polynomials. Next sutra is Sunyam Shanya Samuchaya, which means when the sum is same, the result is 0. So, it is helpful in algebraic simplification. Next sutra is Anurupeya Samuchayat, which means if one is in ratio, other is in 0. And its application is it applied when term in equation or proportionate. Next sutra is Sankalam Vyavkalabhyam, which mean by addition and subtraction. It is used for solving simultaneous linear equation. Next sutra is Puranam Purnabhyam, which means by the completion or non-completion. Its application is it is used in squaring and factorization. Next sutra is Chalanam Kalanabhyam, which means differences and similarity. It is used in calculus and geometry. Next sutra is Yavadunam, which means specific and general. Its application in algebra for generalization. 11th sutra is Vashti Samishti, which means parts and wholes, and it is used for breaking down expressions into parts and combining. Next sutra is Senna Kena Charanam, which means the remainder by the last digit. It is used for shortcut division technique often used with 9. Next sutra is Sopantika, which means the ultimate and twice the penultimate. It is used for finding square of number using specific rule. Next sutra is Eka Nyunena Purvena, which means by one less than previous one. It is used for special multiplication technique like multiplication of 999 with 998. That means it is used for multiplication of number near to the base. Next sutra is Gunatta Samuchayah, which means the product of the sum is equal to the sum of product. It is used in factorization and checking divisibility. Next sutra is Gunakkaya Samuchaya, which means the factor of sum is the sum of factor, and its application is used in factorization problem. These all are the 16 sutras of Vedic mathematics which is given in Sanskrit, and I am also given its name or meaning. Now let us discuss the multiplication of number using Urdhva Tribhagyam method. Urdhva Tribhagyam method, which means vertical and crosswise, as we have seen earlier. It is a general multiplication technique from Vedic mathematics. It is applicable for multiplication of 2 digits multiplication, 3 digits multiplication, and also for algebraic expressions. These are the steps for multiplication of 2 digits number. Now let us understand, if we are having 2 digits number, that is AB, it multiply with next 2 digit number, that is CD. So see, first of all we have to multiply here unit number B into D. Then we have to cross multiply the number and add it. That means we have to multiply C into B and A into D, and we have to add this 2 multiplication. Then we have to multiply the tens place, that is A into C. And at last we have to write the digits from right to left, and we have to add carry if needed. Now let us take one example of 2 digits multiplication using Urdhva Tribhagyam method. If we have to multiply 21 with 32, now see how we can perform multiplication. So first of all we have to multiply here unit place, that is 1 into 2, that means 2. Then we have to cross multiply the numbers and add it, that means 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Then we have to multiply the tens place, that is 2 into 3. So our final answer we have to write from right to left. So 2 into 1 is 2 as it is. Then 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And then last 2 into 3 is 6. So our final answer is 672. This is for 2 digits multiplication. Now let us take one example for 3 digits multiplication using Urdhva Tribhagyam method. See, if we have to multiply 123 with 321, so see how we can perform multiplication. First of all we have to multiply unit place 1 into 3. Then we have to multiply and cross multiply and add our tens place and unit place. That means 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Then we have to multiply our whole numbers with crosswise and vertically and add it. That means 1 into 1. Then 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 3, that is 9. Next we have to multiply our tens place and hundred place crosswise and add it. So that means 1 into 2 is 2. Next 3 into 2 is 6 and we have to perform its addition. Then at last we have to multiply the hundred place, that is 1 into 3 is 3. Now again to write the final answer we have to write the number from right to left and we have to add required carry. So first unit place is 3 into 1 is 3 as it is. Then next digits is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 4 into 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Next 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4, that is 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 into 3, that means 9. So 5 plus 9 is 14, that means 4 and carry 1. Next is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8 plus that carry 1, that means 9. And next digits is 1 into 3 is 3 as it is. So our final answer is 39,483. Now I hope everyone should understand how we can perform multiplication of 2 digits and 3 digits number using Urdhva Tribhagyam method. You can try this example by your own and answer in comment section. Thank you so much everyone.